We all need to support our immune system. But do you know why or even how? Let's start by defining the immune system. It's your body's main defense against foreign invaders, but unfortunately, that function can decline over time. So how do you support your immune function? By living a healthy lifestyle and ensuring an optimal intake of specific vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. So, what's a healthy lifestyle? It includes eating a healthy diet, taking part in regular physical activity, effectively managing stress, and getting quality sleep. Supplementing with high-quality vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, like vitamins C and D, zinc, DHEA, and more, is another way to boost your immunity. Did you know that meditation also benefits your immune system? Studies found that the practice regularly lowers cortisol output, blood pressure, heart rate, triglycerides, and more. Remember, building a stronger immune system takes time, and any improvements you make will help. Keep checking back with Life Extension for more information, tips, and advice to support your immune system and live your healthiest life.